Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Cat Eye Glamour, our little hangout where we can be the most glamorous versions of ourselves. And girl, let's get our nails done. Yeah. You guys know the drill. Here are all my supplies: sugar scrub, a hand serum, it's a body serum actually, acetone, cuticle oil, glue, nails, cuticle pusher, nail file, and nail clipper. And I always start with scrubbing my hands. I do not skip this step because I need my set to look the best. So my hands have to look the best. So I definitely never ever skip this step, and I focus on those cuticles and I scrub away all dead skin. So these are nails that we're using from the Nailest Co. These are a medium coffin set. I've been wearing long ones for a while, so these are medium coffin. And I'm just going to make sure that I can make sure that I fit each nail before I grab any sort of glue. Let's make sure they fit properly. So you definitely want to spend time and focus on that. So I'm just buffing the nails just to make sure I get the perfect fit. Normally there's like one or two nails that I have to kind of go in and tweak and make sure it fits my finger properly, because I am not just slapping these nails on and going. No. I need to make people think I went to the actual salon. Hello? Nails for scammers. We fooling them. So let's go ahead and push the cuticles. This is important too. This is what makes the set look so realistic. I kind of push mine up, well, back and up, I would say, just to kind of create a little bit of space in between the nail bed and the cuticle, because that's where I slide the press on, right under the cuticle. So it looks clean, it looks professional, and it looks like an acrylic set. And that's the goal. That's the goal. So I'm just going to drop some glue right in the nail. Normally, you guys, on all my other videos, I put the glue on the actual finger or the nail bed. This time I tried this technique because these nails are a little bit more see-through, and I hate to see that like air bubble. And I thought maybe if I tried this method, it would prevent that, which it did for the most part. Maybe one nail, and I ended up seeing like a small little bubble. But I mean, you know, I had to try to cope with that, even though it really bothers me to see that. Hey y'all, this was late at night, girl. I had on my robe, I had my hair tied, I was relaxed, okay? All right, see, no air bubble, and I'm satisfied. Carefully place it and press and press and press. I press for about 30 seconds or so, depending on how I'm feeling, but I do press for quite a bit of time because I don't want these nails to pop up on me. Super clean and perfect. Using my vitamin C oil as cuticle oil. I need to get some actual cuticle oil, really. But this works though. My hands are super moisturized when I put it on. See, I'm showing you that one little bubble that pissed me off. All right, so now I'm using my Thyme Fragrance triple oil body serum. It's their sweet tangerine scent. I love Thyme's fragrance. I actually have a haul of some of their some of the things that they sent me. I just love them. Please check them out. All right, so I'm showing you how moisturized and how soft. My hands look great. So I'm just massaging it. A little bit of self-care, girl. A little bit of self-care. Gotta do things yourself. So here is the set, guys. How do you like it? It came out so cute. These nails are definitely summer ready. I absolutely love them. I hope you guys love them too. Hopefully you try to take care of your own nails at home. Stay out of those salons. Well, no, I mean, if you want to go, you can go, girl. You can go. But I'm not going. I'm not going. I can do my nails right here at home. Guys, make sure you like this video, subscribe, and don't forget to come back. Bye.